Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to day one of the Awakened You, a journey to higher consciousness series. This is not just another video, this is the start of something deeply personal, a journey back to the part of you that has always been there. But maybe, just maybe, you have been too busy to truly meet. And today is the day you begin to discover who you truly are beyond all the noise in your mind. So, let's start with the opening prayer. Let's begin by opening our hearts. If you can, close your eyes for a moment. Breathe slowly and deeply. Feel your chest rise and fall. And say these words with me, silently or out loud. Divine light, guide me to see my true self with love and clarity. Help me let go of limiting thoughts and find my real, peaceful nature. So, what are thoughts? Have you ever noticed how your mind seems to run on autopilot? You wake up and before your feet even touch the floor, your mind is already busy, thinking about yesterday, worrying about today, and planning for tomorrow. There are thoughts about work, thoughts about relationships, and thoughts about your body. And somewhere in the middle, thoughts about whether you are even doing life right. And most people spend their entire lives believing these thoughts are who I am. But here is the truth. You are not your thoughts, because thoughts are like clouds drifting across the sky of your awareness. Some are light and fluffy, some are dark and heavy, but the sky remains untouched, and you are the sky. So let's say this together. I am not my thoughts. I am the loving space in which thoughts appear. And I remember a time in my own life when I believed every single thought that crossed my mind. If a thought said, "You are failing," I felt like a failure. And if a thought said, "You don't belong," so I started to withdraw from people. It was not until years later, during a moment of deep meditation, that I realized I had been letting my mind to be driver of my life without ever asking if it knew the way. The moment I started seeing my thoughts as just visitors, my world began to change. Some visitors stayed longer than I liked, but eventually they left. And the real me, the one watching, that part of me was always safe. So let's start with realizing the observer within. Let's experience this together right now. Close your eyes if you can. Take a deep breath in and out. Now, just watch your mind. You might notice a thought about your to-do list. Maybe you are thinking, I hope I am doing this right. That's okay. Just notice, don't judge. Because you are not your thought. You are the one seeing the thoughts. Say this with me. I am the watcher of my thoughts. And thoughts cannot define me. Yes, I am the watcher of my thoughts, and thoughts cannot define me. So why do we believe every thought? From the time we were little, we were told things. Some beautiful, some hurtful. And without realizing it, we started repeating those words in our minds. And over the time, these thoughts became our truth, even if they weren't really true. And awareness begins when you pause and ask, is this thought really me? So Say this prayer with me now. I release false stories and old beliefs. I am open to seeing myself truly. Yes, I release false stories and old beliefs. I am open to seeing myself truly. And now, let's talk about the suffering of believing thoughts. Think about it. When you believe a thought like, I am not good enough, your body reacts, your chest tightens, and your energy drops. And when you believe things must be perfect, you feel stressed, anxious, and overwhelmed. But the moment you see a thought as just a thought, it begins to lose its grip on you. So affirm with me, I am free from suffering caused by my thoughts. I choose peace and kindness towards myself. And repeat it over and over again and again. I am free from suffering caused by my thoughts. I choose peace and kindness towards myself. And here is the guided practice watching your thoughts. Let's do this now. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you can and breathe naturally. Notice any thoughts that appear and label them softly like thinking, planning, judging, worrying, or any other label which you would like to give. Don't fight with your thoughts. Don't chase. Don't judge. Just watch them pass like leaves floating on a river. And if you get caught inside a thought, just gently return to your breath and stay here for a few quiet moments. Now repeat with me. I allow my thoughts to come and go. I am the calm, loving space that stays. And bring awareness into your daily life. Because awareness is not just for meditation, it's for everyday moments. When you are cooking dinner, ask yourself, am I tasting the food or lost in my thoughts? When you are walking, notice your steps, the air on your skin instead of drifting into worries. And when you are stressed, whisper to yourself, this is a thought, I watch it, but I do not become it. Every time you do this, you are building the muscle of awareness. So here are some common questions you might be thinking. Should I stop thinking altogether? No. Thoughts are natural. The goal is to stop letting them control you. Next question is, what if my thoughts are negative? And the answer is, watch them gently, like watching clouds. They will pass naturally. Next question is, who am I underneath my thoughts? And the answer is, pure awareness, calm, loving, and unchanging. Say this with me. I am the light of awareness. I am safe and whole. And repeat it again and again. I am the light of awareness. I am safe and whole. So, let's recap this video. Today you learned you are not your thoughts. Thoughts are temporary visitors, and you are the silent observer of your thoughts. And awareness brings peace and freedom. So intention for today is, I will notice my thoughts without judgment. I am more than my mind. And say this closing prayer with me. May I remember my true self. May I be kind in my mind, patient with my growth, and peaceful in my heart. And tomorrow, we go deeper into becoming the witness, the step that transforms awareness into freedom. And if this video touched your heart, subscribe to our channel, share it with someone who needs peace, and comment below. I choose to observe, not absorb. I choose to observe, not absorb. I send you love, peace, and healing. Namaste.